Hey, it's Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center here in Northbrook, Illinois, and I just wanted to take a few minutes to share with you one of the other treatments that we wind up providing for patients who have had problems with migraines. That's called a chiropractic adjustment. Now, an adjustment is a gentle force put into your spine to take pressure off your nerves. Sometimes it makes a noise, sometimes it doesn't. There's a few different ways that we wind up delivering them here within our office. Sometimes we use our hands, sometimes we use tools. Sometimes we put pressure, sometimes there's a quick force or movement. All of them are pain-free. Some of them make noises. Today I've got Sonia with us here, one of our team members, and we're going to demonstrate a couple of the different ways that we wind up delivering cervical spine or neck adjustments to wind up helping with headaches and migraines. So one of the first things that I always do for that is I look to feel the person's head and neck to determine, do we need to deliver an adjustment? So in feeling her neck, we look to feel for any muscle bellies that are spasming or irritated. We also look to check to see how the motion in her neck is going. And when I feel through certain areas, they just feel restricted, locked, or not moving. So for Sonia, we're going to turn her head and we're going to tilt her and put a gentle force in. Now, it made a little bit of a noise, but it doesn't always for all people. Some of the other adjustments that we wind up doing have to do with just a sustained hold. It might look just like this. Some of the other adjustments that we might do would have her flip over onto her stomach, and I'm going to ask Annie for a little bit of help. Could you wind up giving me the arthrostim? Please go ahead and flip over for me, Sonia. We're getting everybody involved here. So the arthrostim is a tool that looks like this. Some of our patients think it looks like power tools, others call it a thumper, and what it does is it goes like this and it impulses, and it impulses based upon the amount of pressure that we put on it. So for this we might just wind up pressurizing or putting pressure across her upper back and neck to create motion within her spine. Awesome. We always go back through and we wind up feeling the area to make sure that motion has been restored. We also can look to check and ask Sonia, how was that adjustment?
It was good.
Awesome. If you or someone you know is having problems with migraines, can you share with them this video? Also, if you liked it, give it a thumbs up. Once again, I'm Dr. Gregg with Align Wellness Center, and thank you for letting me be a part of your health.